Tappy activated. Hello, my crypto fam. Welcome back to our digital corner. Today, we're diving into the world of cyber attacks, the pesky gremlins of the digital world, and how to prevent them. Grab your virtual shields and let's get started. 7th, zero-day attacks. Zero-day attacks exploit undiscovered vulnerabilities in crypto software or hardware before developers can patch them. Let's have a look at what's happened. In March 2022, the Ronin network was attacked via a zero-day exploit, resulting in the theft of $625 million worth of crypto. Prevention tips. Keep your software and hardware updated. Use hardware wallets for offline storage. Stay informed about security updates and vulnerabilities. Attention! Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay educated and entertained with TapSwap and me, Tappy. See you after reconnecting. Happy tapping. Tappy deactivated.